Hi, I'm Stan DeFreitas, Mr. Green Thumb. So you want to grow lablabs. It's kind of an ornamental plant that many people do like because it's a beautiful ornamental flowering plant. Now, that being said, you're going to have it, of course, growing usually in near full sun. When the flower is spent, you can collect the little seeds, and I typically would put them into maybe an envelope, let them dry out, or into a dry paper towel. You don't want to keep seeds too wet because then there's a natural wanting to go ahead and sprout. So if you're going to store them for any length of time, you may even put them into a jar with a little bit of fresh powdered milk, which will help to act as a desiccant to hold the moisture away from them. When you plant them, make sure you plant the little lablab seeds about 1/4 inch deep in a good soil. Make sure they get moist. That means water them well, and make sure they're planted in a real friable, peaty type soil. If you do that, you should get good results. Make sure they're in 6 hours of bright sun a day. As far as pH, anywhere probably between 5 and probably 7. So slightly acidic to slightly alkaline. And you should have fantastic results. I'm Mr. Green Thumb, Stan DeFreitas.